Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia XR20 to an Android device. Start by exiting Play Store on both devices and clicking on the search bar. Then type Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then choose Open. Now click on I accept, then Confirm, Continue and lastly Allow. Over here you need to select Receive on an Android and Send on the Nokia. Then click on all of those kind of dots and select Send. This way you will send all of your data. It will take a lot of time though, so for example I will only go with this one photo. Just send and then click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and tap on Receive, or simply scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on the scanning icon on an Android, choose while using the app or only this time, and point your camera at the code. Now we have to wait a bit, and as you can see my photo was successfully sent. If you wish to make sure of it, go into some kind of Files app, click on, in my case, Images, and go into Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!